out of the 4,000 we have. And fun fact, so this was all purchased in the 1850s, and for 4,300 acres it cost $10,000.
Wow.
Right? Only if but nowadays 10,000 will get you what? Maybe a used Honda Civic or something.
That's a rock.
It's a little quarter, little circle over here.
Pick a piece of grass.
But this, so all of our ranch over here, we're an operating ranch, and it belongs to all one single family, the Morgan family. And if you're wondering, yes, all his children are taken. So hopefully I can go the adoption route. Right? But they do an awesome job of keeping this place a beautified place. Right? Isn't that beautiful?
Yeah, it's gorgeous.
Gorgeous, right?
Gorgeous.
Yeah, I'm pointing at. Right? Well, yes, guys. So, who's first time to Hawaii today? Anybody first time to Hawaii? Okay. Welcome, welcome. You guys been here a couple times, I assume, then?
You live here.
Ah, where do you live? Hey.
Hey.
My son. Hey. Bye, boys. Hello. Bye.
Hello once again and welcome to our Jurassic World adventure. Napakalawak at ang daming mga baka dito. See, nakikita nyo yan? At ang bundok, kung napapansin nyo, kakaiba siya, di ba? And try to imagine kung paano ginawa ang Jurassic Park and Jurassic World dito, the movie. So dito, ito yung mga props na ginamit nila. Kung napapansin nyo, may ano dito, parang putol na punong kahoy. Yan, yan. Akala mo mabigat siya pero hindi. Tapos ito yung mga cages ng mga dinosaur na ginamit nila noon. So ang ganda, 'di ba? Parang ginawa ng museum. So dito ang pinili namin ay yung ATV Raptor, yung kami ang magda-drive mismo. So mas maano yung adventure dito kung kayo mismo ang magda-drive, di ba? So ito yung part na gustong-gusto ko, yung pina-experience nila sa amin kung paano habulin ng isang dinosaur. Kaya ang ganda ng kinalabasan. Ang galing talaga ng tour guide kasi siya ang humawak ng props na yan at siya na rin ang kumuha ng video na ito. So kasama ko pala dito ang family ni Dolly Castro, yung pinsan ng hubby ko from California. Nagbakasyon sila dito noon. So hanggang sa muli at sana nag-enjoy kayo sa panonood ng video na ito and see you all on my next videos. Bye-bye and God bless!